Hi everyone, I did manage to open my Etsy store. As at this current moment, I have 17 items up for sale, and I've already sold 2 things. I was like shocked because everybody says you have to wait a few months before you sell anything. My store was open 2 weeks and I sold something. Anyway, I got another box to open so I can get more stuff up for sale. So I thought I would do a quick recording, being as I haven't spoken to anybody on my YouTube channel in a while. So I just thought, well, you know what? I got some stuff to unbox. Let me unbox another box for you. So I have no idea what's in this. I don't know if I packed it or my sister or who packed it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Oh, okay. So this is a mushroom wine cruet, wine and vinegar cruet. I hope I got the little stopper. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's try the next thing. Oh, this is heavy. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. It's like one of those, used to be like a modern type vase. These were really popular in the 60s. So this is probably from a vintage 60s mold. That's cute, I like that. That's really cute. Now this type of item you're gonna wanna glaze. So you pour some clear glaze in, pour it out, and then glaze it however you want on the outside. It's kind of fun not knowing what's in here. This looks like it may be a bank. Yep. The people who had the shot before put a stopper in it, cut a slit in it. It's like an American drum. Can that be considered colonial style? There are a few colonial style things that I have. It's because that was popular in the 60s. This looks like a perfume bottle or something. Again, I don't know if it has the threads. So you can put a pump on it. You can get a plastic pump. Okay. Yeah, if you happen to have a plastic pump from one of your soap bottles you have now, that would probably fit. It's got a lacy detail. This is plain here. You could put a decal on there, or a flower, paint a flower, whatever you wanted to do. It's really cute. This looks like a base. Hearts on either side. And you make something, you put it on here. I have quite a few bases. I don't know what goes with what. So anyway, that's what that is. It's a base. I hope you can't hear my neighbor mowing their lawn. Of course, when I get ready to record, they're out there mowing the lawn. He hasn't mowed his lawn in like 2 weeks. It's up there mowing. Okay, the stopper to the oil cruet. Yay, that's a win. I'm happy about that. Awesome. I was thinking, oh no. A lot of these things I've ran into, bits and parts are missing. Like if there's more than one part to it, it just seems like one of the parts is missing. Or I haven't ran into it. I shouldn't say they might not necessarily be missing, but they might not be in the same box. So I'm trying to keep tabs of all that. And believe me, it's hard to do. This is heavy. Oh, okay. It's a frog. He hangs. He's a bank too. They cut a slit here. You have to get some kind of stopper to put underneath there. He's really cute. Look at the detail on. There's the back. I think he's hanging on a rope. I've seen where they've cut holes here, and I think they make birdhouses and they glaze them and put them outdoors. This feels like the same thing. It is, yeah, it's the same thing. I won't bother to unwrap him all the way. It's a little wall plaque. I got it wrapped in plastic. Well, it's a wall plaque, it's just a figurine, really, that's flat. It's, I don't know if you can tell, maybe I'll take the plastic off. Because I'll rewrap it anyway when I go to ship it. And I gotta take photos of it anyway. It's like wood grain, but it's a tulip. This was popular in the 80s. So my best guess, that mold was made in the 80s. That's what I'm gonna guess. And this one too. This is a smaller one. Same thing, but it's a shorter one. So it's a set. So it's pretty cute. This little set here. You paint them and stick them on the windowsill, someplace narrow, or on a shelf. There's the back. Really cute. I hope you don't hear him hollering. And I hope I'm talking loud enough. I have a tendency not to talk loud enough in my videos. I apologize for that. Here's a roof. I wonder where the bottom is. I hope I have the bottom. Let's see. Oh. This is a little monkey coin bank. And she's made, I don't know if you can see the details, but it looks like she's made out of fabric, puffy. And how these were popular in the 80s. And what we used to do is paint them like they were fabric, like polka dotted material or gingham or whatever. So that's how that should be painted. Well, you can paint it any way you like, but that's how they paint it, so they look like fabric. Or you can paint them that kind of a shiny paint and make them look like satin. Oh, how adorable. This one I'm actually going to keep for a sentimental reason. So I'm not going to be selling this particular bank. Sorry. But I know I got the mold somewhere, so whenever I get my kiln set up and everything, I'll make some more. And of course I'm on the deck, and the neighbors are out, and my dogs are on the deck, and they have to bark. So if you hear them barking, I'm sorry. It's the only time I have where it's not too hot. It's been hot all day. It's June 24th, so it's the beginning of summer. I'm taking advantage of every minute I have because I work full time. So hopefully this video will turn out okay. Charlie, no. Okay. This is an Indian chief figurine. Look at the detail. He's carrying a pine tree, so maybe it's like, maybe for Christmas. It wouldn't have to be for Christmas, but you could. That is really nice detail. That's a nice piece. This must be in a box my sister wrapped. Because I don't remember. I remember seeing these on a shelf, but I don't remember wrapping them, so. This is heavy. Oh. Really heavy. Oh, this is, okay. That's the roof. Good, I got both pieces. I'm always happy to see I got both pieces. I don't know how that fits on there. If this one even goes with this one. There might be another one. It doesn't quite fit. That's like a little house. You could do all kinds of things with this. You could paint it for Christmas or make it summery. Oh, all kinds of things. Put lights in it. Oh, all kinds of things you could do with it. That lawnmower is so loud. I hope, you can't hear it. That's why I'm kind of pausing. I'm like, really, guy? You gotta be right there right now. Oh, I remember these. We have a whole bunch of these. They're clocks. They're toilets. I mean, a whole bunch. I think like I don't know, a dozen, half dozen. Hang them on your wall. You paint them up. Cute for your bathroom. Where else would you put it? Certainly wouldn't put it in the kitchen. Yeah, there's another one. Oh, I got a smile. I have a smiley graduate and discover their part been missing. But this smiley is all here. He looks like a little gnome. A smiley gnome. He's adorable. Look at it. He's a gardener. He's got this little gardening hoe. Oh, that's so cute. He is really cute. Some of you may have grown up with your parents, mom or somebody, or grandma making you one of these little smiley figurines. My sister-in-law made all of her kids one. She made my nephew a little hunter, like he's going hunting, and he still has it, and he's 40-something years old. And another one of them toilets. And another one of those toilets. Okay, not a toilet. I don't know what it is though. We'll find out. Okay, it's the dish for the oil and vinegar cruet. You put the one on one side, one on the other. It's got the mushrooms. I'm hoping the whole set's together. I don't know. Again, I have the molds to these. The lady that I bought the ceramic shop said she gave me all of the mushroom stuff because she knew I like mushrooms. So I have it all. It's just going to take me a while before I can take special orders though. So keep that in mind. Kind of feels like the toilet, but not. So let's see. It's another stand. These are usually like lamp stands. Usually there's like a hole here we put the cord through or whatever, or in the center, like a cord hole here and then a hole in the, but anyway, you can see the mark where it should have been, which it wasn't, but I don't know, maybe I'll get a Dremel and see if I can make it that way. We'll see. This won't go on the store for a while. Things that are kind of oddball pieces for the moment, I'm not going to put up yet. I'm saving that for the good stuff. Well, all the good stuff, but you know what I mean. Another smiley. He looks like a pilot. He's got an airplane wing here and his goggles. He needs to be cleaned up some, so I'm looking at him funny. Might be able to take a Dremel and clean him up. Feels like another roof. Maybe this is the roof that fits that one piece that I was showing you. Hopefully this one will fit. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. If it fits and it's going up in my store for sale. And sorry about the rattling. You probably didn't hear what I just said. What I said was, I hope that roof fits the one piece I showed you. Because if it does, I'll get that cleaned up and get that on my store to sell. So, but I don't want to put anything up with any pieces missing. I'm not going to do that. Here's the hunter. This is the one my brother actually painted it for his son. Not my sister-in-law. My brother actually did it. Here's the little hunter. Honey hat. Yeah, I think here's another smiley. They said they gave me all the smiley molds, so that'd be cool too. It's gonna, like again, you know, I keep saying it over and over. It's gonna take me some time. Here's the little army guy. These would be cute too, glazed and put in like a garden, like you would use a garden gnome. That'd be cute like that too, I think. Oh, here's another piece. This is a big piece. Well, let me get the smaller one out first, and then I'll get that bigger one. Hopefully I don't drop anything on it. Oh, this is cute. This looks like a pumpkin rag doll. Little pumpkin hat and little pumpkin body. She's adorable. That is really cute. I can just see that painted and being used as fall decoration. That's special. That's really cute. She's trick-or-treating. There's her flashlight, and here's her little bag. So it's a little girl in her Halloween costume. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'll do one more small one, and then I'll get that big one out here. It's not really small, that's smaller. This guy looks like he's some kind of sports guy. But this one, I don't know. It's fishing. That's his fishing net. He's got a fishing lure on his hat. His fishing bag. I don't know. This one needs to be cleaned up some. I don't know about this one. Okay, here's the big one. This was the one Frank was really proud to show me. He was really proud of this one. Now, anybody from Michigan can totally relate to this one. Here's Smiley on a snowmobile. Isn't that neat? Wow, how cute. Back side up now. Okay, well, I went through everything in this box. The box is huge. I thought there would be a lot more in it, but there were big pieces, which is okay. But I just mainly made this video just to touch base with everybody and say, hey, I'm working on the store. Give me some time. I'm doing this all by myself. It's very time consuming. It's way more time consuming than I possibly imagined, but I'm new and I've got to learn how to cut corners in time. And I'm posting things on Etsy, make templates and what have you. But anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like my video, subscribe if you like, and I'll be showing you how to paint some ceramics pretty soon. Right now I'm taking advantage of the good weather and getting some stuff out on the Etsy store and getting the garage sorted out. The neighbor's supposed to come over and wire the 240 for the kiln, so that's why I'm not yelling at him for mowing the lawn. But anyway, I will talk to you again. Again, this is Lori, the Crafter in the Mitten. Bye.